Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany Suzette. Today, you guys, I will be showing you guys how to make shrimp stuffed crab cakes. Amazing, delicious. And I'm going to use my shrimp scampi butter sauce to top it on there. Or either I might just do a lemon butter Cajun cheese sauce. I don't know. We'll play it by ear, but do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And share this video with anyone, everyone. And put your post notifications on so every time I upload it, you will be first to be notified. So, let's get into this video. So, guys, I have two different types of crab meat here. I have lump and I also have jumbo lump. This is what the lump looks like. And it's in this red can right here. Eastern Cove lump crab meat. And you will definitely see the difference. This is jumbo lump. As you can see, look at that. Nice huge morsels of crab meat. Look at that. It smells so fresh and delicious. So what I'm going to do is I have some medium shrimp that I had already just started slicing in half. As you can see, they already washed, cleaned, and deveined. And just going to cut it in half. And this shrimp here is going to be the shrimp we're going to add with the crab meat. And it's going to be a shrimp stuffed crab cake. It's very simple, delicious. It's around the holidays. I hope you guys' Thanksgiving was amazing. Ours was so nice, so blessed. So Christmas is coming up. And I know sometimes you may want to do traditional, and then sometimes you want to just go in a different direction. You may want to do seafood, or even for like New Year's. This will be a great appetizer, or it could be a dinner for like a small group of family and friends, depending on what size of your crab cakes you want. So our shrimp is already here, chopped up. This is about, it was maybe like 10 shrimp that I cut in half. I'm gonna, let's do this. Put the shrimp back in the bowl so you guys can see up close and personal now. You guys see that? Awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crab meat. Now we want all the crab meat, right? And I usually get lump and jumbo lump just because it has less shells in it. You don't have to really deshell it. If it was back fin, you would definitely have to go through that crab meat very thoroughly because it's a lot of shells. And when you're eating crab cakes, crab balls, you don't want to be chewing on a lot of shells. Gonna take a jumbo lump. Look at that. Oh. Stuff you really could, but we're not. So yeah, we're just gonna break these pieces up, separate them, not really break them up, I'm sorry. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our seasonings. I'm gonna use some obey, teaspoon of obey, guys. I'm gonna use some accent. Accent is optional, but this takes the flavor train up to another level. But it is, once again, optional. Tablespoon. Going to be using some black pepper. Tough little bugger. A half a tablespoon. Going to also be, excuse me, guys. Woo, that pepper was strong. We're going to be using some garlic powder. Tablespoon. And also some onion powder. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Thank you. Tablespoon. Also going to be using some mustard. Now, when it comes to mustard and mayonnaise, when you're making your crab cake, it's totally optional. I don't use a lot of it. And this is like maybe like a half a tablespoon. Because I want to taste the crab meat, so I don't use a lot of it. I just basically use it just to bring my crab cakes together. And this is how much I will be using. As you can see. Oh, you know what, guys? I'm gonna grab the Worcestershire sauce and add a dash of that in there as well. Worcestershire. This is the brand that I'm using, Food Line brand. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six little dabs. Gonna be adding one egg. No shells, no shells. I'm also gonna grab my breadcrumbs. And this is about a half a cup. Gonna be using some fresh lemon juice. Can you use the lemon juice in the bottle? I preferably would not. It just has an aftertaste that I really don't care for. So I would suggest to use fresh lemon juice, guys. And we like lemon. There's lemon taste, so we use a lot of it. I'm also going to zest some lemon in here as well. Oh, lemon smells so good. And we're going to give this a nice little flip. Gonna mix this up. I hope y'all having a joy and relaxing day. I'm going to add a little bit more of Old Bay to this. I'm going to mix this up. And now for our shrimp, because we've already seasoned our mixture, our crab mixture, I'm just going to do a little sprinkle on the shrimp as well. Some, you see? Some Old Bay, same seasoning that we use. Going to be using a little bit of accent, which is optional. Going to be using some garlic powder, onion powder, some pepper. Gonna give this a quick mix. Just a quick mix. This together. I apologize if you hear the banging noise in the background. Neighbors are, I guess, working on something in their house. They have been working on it for the past 2 days. So if you hear it, that's what you hear, guys. That's what it looks like, right? So we're just gonna add this right in here, and we're gonna just mix this together. This is gonna be so good. I cannot wait. Mouth is like salivating. I'm just gonna taste this to see if it's got flavor. Oh man. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Y'all need to try this recipe. Delicious. Gonna add some color to make it pop. I don't have any fresh parsley, so this is the one that I'm using. I'm going to form these up into cakes. I'm going to get my mixing bowl. I'm sorry, not my mixing bowl. My baking pan. I'm going to pop them babies in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes so they can get nice and firm. Be right back. So we have our baking pan, correct? I'm going to just get a handful. I'm going to show y'all get closer. Look. This is the consistency you want. Look at that. Look at that. So good. We're going to bake these. And then we're going to put them in a broiler. I promise your family will not be disappointed at all. At all. And you shouldn't put too much breadcrumbs in there because you want to enjoy and taste the crab meat. The crab meat and the shrimp is the star of the show. So just remember that. Every forkful will have crab and shrimp in there. Every forkful. Form and then just pat together. See? And as you can see, these babies are not little at all. At all. They're not little. I think we're gonna do a Cajun cream, some type of maybe a Cajun cheese sauce, lemon garlic cheese sauce. Oh no, we'll see. We're gonna figure it out though, because we have some time. Because we still have to put these in the freezer so they can firm up a little bit more. I know y'all want this one, don't you? Look at that. Look at that. You guys enjoy this recipe? Let's see. We're gonna scoop this over just a little bit because I actually took out two of my baking dishes, but actually, look, they turned out perfect. So this little have from each room to cook. Don't want to crowd. And I have a little bit left that I'm just gonna add to one of these babies, literally. Y'all pick and choose which one y'all want me to add to. I think let's do this one. It's kind of small now. See the consistency? It goes right on there. It just condenses very well because that mixture is nice and soft. Be right back. So our oven is actually just went off. It's ready. We're gonna put the crab cakes in. Also for the butter mixture, the butter I'm using is Country Crock, guys. Country Crock, the original version. So guys, our crab cakes just came out the oven. They've been in there for about 25 to 30 minutes to make sure that they were thoroughly cooked all the way through. I also just want to secure and make sure everything is nice and done. I want a crust on top. I'm going to put these in the broiler for 3 to 5 minutes. Well, actually on watch. I'm going to put them on a low broil before we do that, the remainder of our butter sauce, right? I'm just gonna do this, right? Yes, I'm watching Food Network. Love food, everything about food. So like I said, we're gonna put these in the broiler on watch. No more than like 30 seconds to a minute. So guys, this concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please try it. It's delicious. It's easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a blessed and less stressed week. And with that being said, until my next video, bye.